Example number 5, we need to verify that f of x and f inverse of x are inverse of each other. And for what values of x is f inverse of f of x equal to x? So first of all, let's find f inverse of f of x. F inverse is the most outside, and the inside f of x is 1 over x minus 1. Then we will plug in 1 over minus 1 in the function f inverse. So we will look in here and we plug at the x value, we plug in 1 over x minus 1. So we multiply by the reciprocal for the first one, so we get x minus 1 plus 1, and the answer is x. In the objective number 3, we learned that the domain for the function f, the requirement is the x have to be in the domain of the function f. We look at the function f, and the domain is x not equal to 0. So for this x, the domain is x not equal to 1. The value of x in the domain of function f is x not equal to 1. Then the f inverse of f of x will be well defined. Now we do the second one, f of f inverse of x. Inside f inverse is 1 over x plus 1. Now we will plug in 1 over x plus 1 in the x location. And minus 1. So minus 1 cancel out. We got 1 over x, and multiply the reciprocal, you got the answer is x. So for what value of this x, so that we can get the function f inverse composed of each other well defined. So this x have to be in the domain of the f inverse. The domain of f inverse is all real number except for x not equal to 0.